Hi guys! 8:38 p.m. na! Wow, feng shui na! Brethren, family and friends, pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat, ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultant. Kumusta po kayo? How was your Saturday and tomorrow? Sunday. Don't forget let us not forget our obligations, ha? Siyempre po, sa dahil po natin napapanood ngayon sa TV and social media, is all about the filing of COCs po. Ano, siyempre naman, which started October 1 up to October 8. Ayan. So, yun po, no? Wow, no? Nakakatuwa naman po. Well, anyway, the purpose po of this sharing is to make sure that you get back the control. You get what you want to make you happy. So, all you need to do is have a compass, check the time, and then back to a certain direction. You count from 64 to 1, and then you let go. You open up, you give thanks, you ask for what you want, and you give it back to society. So, ganun po yung ating manifesting, ganun po yung ating meditation, ha? BFF, don't forget. Hi, Tumaring Seni! Magandang gabi sa iyo all the way from Pasig. Okay, so simulan po natin. Ano bang magandang gawin tomorrow, linggo? Okay, BFF. Tomorrow, October 6, Sunday, it's called the Water Rabbit Enters the Distraction Officer Day. Uy, distraction. Tingnan nga natin. Ba't naman distraction? Tingnan natin. Okay, let us see. Tingnan natin, let's check. Okay, sabi dito, suitable for house cleaning, tamang-tama. Gardening, tama din. Keeping a pet. Visit a beautician and fermentation, all suitable for tomorrow. Hi to worshipful Master Noble Sir Kuyang Jexter. Hi, worshipful Sir. And congratulations with your stated meeting earlier, ha. Congrats, worshipful Sir. Ayan. So, avoid tomorrow legal matters, contract signing, utility services, and investment, IPO. Well, linggo naman. This our obligation. Make a donation. Very important. Okay. Check natin, worshipful Sir Maring Sen, yung animal signs. So, tomorrow, rat is average. Ox is not so good. Tiger is average. Rabbit is very good. Dragon and snake, not so good. Horse, average. Goat, very good. Monkey, average. Rooster, not so good. And dog and pig, very good. Ayan. By the way, BFF, ha, starting November 7, mag-a-usher in na po ang energy ng 2025 Year of the Green Wood Snake. Ayan, laging may green. It's just a wood snake po, ha. Wood snake. So, sisimula na po. Ayan. Ano po nyo? Worshipful. Yes, opo. Congrats po. And, drive safe going home po, brethren. Worshipful Sir. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Tomorrow, meron tayong, if you want the outcome to be 10x, fellowship time. Wow. Okay. If you want to 10x po, you're the outcome to make you happier, you can do it by using the daily Chimen, or if you're doing something not recommended, at least pangontra pa rin natin yung Chimen backing. Okay, let's do it. Use a compass, BFF, I count from 64 to 1, seated. Anywhere, even your any part of the world, pwede pong gamitin to, just use your proper compass. Okay, let us see. October 6. Ayan. Okay. To 10x, being beautiful and handsome, if you're selling something, products or services, you are a blogger, a content maker, talikod. Whole day po to, starting 11:01 p.m. later to 10:59 p.m. the next day, talikod sa south. If you want to create opportunities, kahit linggo, if you want to create opportunities prior to the incoming week, talikod naman sa northwest. Health is wealth, and you want heart-to-heart talk, meeting, very important meeting, you want to have a great health, talikod naman sa north. Hi to Beshi, Kuyang Alexander, Sir. Hi, Kuyang. Hope to see you again, ha, for our consultation. Kuyang Beshi Alexander, Sir. Besh, magandang gabi. Okay, anything to do with wisdom, anything to do with money, finances, talikod naman sa northeast. Okay. So, dito po, BFF, worshipful Sir, Maring Seni, gagamitin ko to, Besh. Gagamitin ko itong talikod ng South. Why? May heavenly fame. BFF, yung Heavenly Fane is the formula and structure being used by none other than Apple products. Whenever they are selling something new, iPhone 14, iWatch na bago, anything the Apple products that they want to launch, to market, to sell, ang gamit po is Heavenly Fane. Why? This is used to influence the masses. In fact, ito'y gamit din po ng mga politician. Opo, this is structure. And it's backing to South. Wow, opo, no? To mesmerize, para po bang, if you launch a product or you yourself is the product, your branding, ikaw mismo, people are like, I want you, gusto kong makakuha niyan. Yun po, naniniwala kami sa'yo, naniniwala kami sa product na yan. Ito po yun, Heavenly Fane. Talikod po sa South, whole day starting 11:01 p.m. later up to 10:59 the next day. Heavenly Fane. And then, meron din po siyang kasamang, ito po, benevolent energy. Oh, ang ganda talaga yung structure na to. So, gagamit ko ito, South backing. Ito yung game changer. Okay, BFF, lagyan natin ng talkies. Lagyan natin ng script. O naman, para sigurado. Okay, ito na po. Ayan. Alis ito pong iOS 18, medyo nakakabisado natin. Hi to Ateng Teres. Yes, Ateng ha. November 7 ang simula na po ng pasok ng Wood Snake. So, Ateng, see you very soon, Ateng ha. And regards to Kuya Raymond. Okay, Ateng, lagyan natin ng talkies. Ito na po. Again, gagawin pong ganun. You let go, you open up, you give thanks, you ask for what you want, and you give it back to society po. Okay. Universe, I let go of all that no longer benefits my journey and open myself to become the person needed to fulfill my aspirations. I am deeply thankful for my blessings and I'm always eager to evolve, learn, and do whatever it takes to achieve my dreams. I easily and effortlessly magnetize perspectives and reputation by always attracting guidance and the gift of foresight, opening new paths for all, instilling faith to pave the way. Amen. Hi to Brother Senior Warden, Noble, Kuyang Joseph, sir. Hi, Kuyang Joseph. Good evening. So, yun po you may use this po. Dahil meron po itong Heavenly Fane. So, if you want to mesmerize, influence the masses, gamitin nyo po ito South backing. Okay. Ngayon, o Tagalog naman. Tagalogin natin. Okay po, pwedeng combination po ito BFF. Okay, let's do it. Let's say it in Tagalog. Ayan. Let's see. Okay. Manifestation. Ayan. Then later, i-discuss natin yung snake. Ayan. Siyempre naman, importante po yun. Ayan Okay let us see where is it yun. Ito na. Universe, hinahayaan ko ang lahat na hindi na nakikinabang sa aking paglalakbay at binubuksan ang aking sarili na maging taong kailangan upang matupad ang aking mga mithiin. Lubos akong nagpapasalamat sa aking mga pagpapala at laging sabik na umunlad, matuto at gawin ang lahat para makamit ang aking mga pangarap ay madali at walang kahirap-hirap. Na matamo ang pananaw at reputasyon sa pamamagitan ng palaging pag-akit ng patnubay at kaloob ng pag-iintindi sa kinabukasan, pagbubukas ng mga bagong landas para sa lahat, pagkintal ng pananampalataya upang bigyan daan ang nararapat. Amen. O siya po, BFF ba Tagalog? Pwede. Okay, BFF, just in case, meron po kayong mga application, you want the Green Dragon, silipin po natin. Opo. Ateng Teres, silipin natin po. BFF. Okay. As early po as 5 a.m. to 6:59 a.m., talikod sa east, we have the Jade Maiden watching the door. And then from 7 a.m. to 8:59 a.m. po, we have the number 1 most auspicious structure in Chimen, Green Dragon returns, talikod naman sa southwest. And then 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m., Flying Bird fall into cave, talikod naman po sa south. Hi to Kuyang Melvin, we miss you. Wala kagabi. We miss you, Kuyang Melvin. See you next week. So yan po, BFF yung ating pong mga six battalions po. The Green Dragon, the Jade Maiden, and the Flying Bird fall into cave. Yan. Okay. Now, BFF, nabanggit ko po yung tungkol sa snake. Ayan, silipin natin. Okay. Let us see. Okay. So, sa mga ngayon lang po nakapanood ng ating sharing, so, ating, hi to Ma'am Ria, good evening po. So, according to Grandmaster of Singapore, ang number 1 po, sa animal sign po ito, 2025, wood snake, na mag-a-usher in po as early as November 7 of this year, 2024. Number 1 is rat. Number 2, monkey. Number 3, ating, dog. Number 4, tiger. Number 5 is horse. Number 6, dragon. Pang-7 po ay rooster. Pang-8 po, rabbit. Number 9 is snake. 10 pig. 11 goat. And 12 po is ox. So, more or less po, plus minus 2 or 3 numbers po yung angat po. Pero po, from what I've seen, rat po ang number 1. And then, sa bandang huli po, nagpapalit-palit lang po ang ox, pig, and goat. Ayun po So, watch out po doon po sa ox, pig, and goat. Kasi po ito po yung nagpapalitan lang po with other consultants and grandmasters na 9, 10, 11, 12. Sila po yung huli. Ox, pig, and goat. Nagpapalit-palit lang po. Yun naman pong sa mga unahan, rat po, number 1 lagi, sa nakikita ko po ngayon. And, okay, number 2 and 3, halos magkakapalit-palit po yung tiger. Opo. Ganon din po ang monkey. Nasa first, 1 and 2 rin po siya. Numbers 4 and 5, 2 and 3 rin po ang monkey. So, yun po So, halos close na rin po yung ating binanggit. But again, pagbiyahe po natin sa Kuala Lumpur, from Dato Joey, we'll finalize everything. And I'm also would like to get a copy po of the... number 1 tayo. Siyempre naman, Kuyang Melvin. Siyempre, number 1. Papati si Kuyang Sandro. To a very worshipful Colonel Sandro. Tayo po, number 1, rat. Rooster, other consultants, number 5. Other consultant, I've mentioned 7. Okay, rabbit, ganun po rin, 7 and 8. Dragon, may number 6 na sa iba, may number 8 po sa ibang dragon. Pero at least dragon po. Leslie, dragon ka, ano po siya? Ayan. Yan, opo naman, set up natin yung bahay mo, Kuyang Melvin. We will do that. Ayan po. Okay. Tingnan natin po ang snake. Kaya, BFF, weekend naman haba-haba natin ng konting ating discussion. No pressures po, chill lang tayo. Bukas naman linggo So, whatever you're doing now, if you're into a fellowship, Worshipful Sir, Jexter, the Worshipful Master of San Pedro, Masonic Lodge, BFF, whatever you're doing now, ito po ang ating magiging way of discussing po yung mga animal signs. Para po, at least we would know yung mga terms po being used po by us consultants. Okay, sinipin natin. Okay. Sabi po dito, ayan, snake. So, ang snake po may Grand Duke. So, kung ano po yung reigning animal sign, may tinatawag pong Grand Duke. Okay. Mayroon pong 2 explanation po ng Grand Duke. Isa pong, they will say, spiritual explanation, and then meron pong scientific explanation. Okay. Spiritual explanation po is that there is a God, okay, there is an energy from the universe that looks upon the animal sign. So, next year is the animal sign of the snake. Ngayon, dragon. So, nakatingin itong energy to ngayon sa dragon, and next year sa snake. Pag nagkamali yung snake, paparusahan kagad. Pag maganda ginawa ng snake, o ngayon dragon, re-reward kagad. So, that's the spiritual explanation. Scientific explanation naman po, BFF, is the energy po from Jupiter. So, yung energy from Jupiter na tumatama sa Earth, ngayon po tumatama sa dragon, next year po tatama naman sa snake. So, yun po yung explanation. Energy coming from the Jupiter, yung spiritual naman is a God or an energy from the universe po. So, those are the 2 explanation. So, yun ito tayo na Grand Duke. So, ang pangontra po niyan, if you have a snake sign or ngayon dragon, kailangan daw po meron kang piyaw. Piyaw po is the one with the dragon head and a dog body. So, siya po yung sa spiritual feng shui, this is the item na para siya yung lawyer mo po. So, you may have that po if you're a snake next year and dragon po naman this year. So, Grand Duke. Okay, snake. Basahan kita. So, Grand Duke, sabi dito, ang snake po, may mga past issue ka na pwedeng mag-resurface. So, snake, or pinanganak ka ng May, or pinanganak ka ng 9 a.m. to 10:59 a.m. So, meron kang issue na kailangan ma-address mo this year. O, ingat ka din po sa bleeding. Okay po. Sa mga injury. So, snake, kailangan mong mag-donate ng dugo. Blood donation, number 1. Dental care din. Kailangan mo. More travel for you means more wealth for the snake. And you also have the ability to solve problems. Sarap naman, snake. O Kuyang Melvin, gusto mo bang banggitin ko yung tungkol sa rat? Bakit naging number 1? O, tingnan silipin natin. Alam mo, Kuyang Melvin, na inaabangan mo to eh. Silipin natin. O, yun. Rat. Bakit naging number 1 ang rat? Ang rat po, so kung ang snake po may tinatawag na Grand Duke, ang snake, ang rat naman po, mayroong tinatawag na energy, the Emperor. Wow! Sarap nun the Emperor. Okay. So, iingatan lang po ng snake. Okay. Hi, Ateng, bye! Kumusta na? Hi, Ateng. All the way from Davao and Cotabato. Ateng, kumusta? Good evening. So, Ateng, bye, Kuyang Melvin. Ang rat po, may sinasabing the Emperor. So, iingatan lang po natin mga rat. Being defeated, beaten down, distracted, and disconnected. So, wag na wag po tayong mag-iisa. Importante. So, tayo rin pong mga rat, ay ang suggestion, wag tayong maglalakad sa mga madidilim o sa mga alanganin o mga nakakatakot na lugar. Kasi meron pong eerie feeling. So, ingat mga rat. And then, eto rin po, there's also a tendency for the rat to have unhealthy desire. Wow! Ingat! Now, what we should do is we should build an empire. We have the authority, the leadership, and reputation. And also, we have the dragon virtue. Ang ganda naman ito. Dragon virtue. The dragon virtue po means we could attract powerful, noble people. Sabi dito, let your imagination run wild. Ayan. Hi to Ma'am Eddie. Thanks for watching. Hello po. So, sa mga rat po ito, let your imagination run wild. And we also have the Taiji Nobleman Noble Star. Ganda naman. So, again, mga rat, though we number 1 po ang rat, we should not forget our spiritual obligation. And then we also have the heavenly virtue, dissolve and navigate negative situations. Again, not only for the spiritual awareness po and spiritual obligation sa mga rat, but also we should find time to rest, rejuvenate, work on the mental psyche, and mindset. Ano may mindset na naman? Wow! Opo saya po nito. So wala po tayong gagawin BFF kundi discuss po ang animal sign. Si after all po, ito po palang gusto po ng mga Pinoy. Yung animal sign, yung favorite color, favorite number, tatawa ma sa loto. Ganun. Ito palang gusto po. Kaya karamihan mo pag pinag-uusapan yung mga advance na gaya po natin ngayon, mga backing, chimen, heavenly fane, benevolent, parang ano yan? Pero mas gusto nila yung mga animal sign. But don't you worry, BFF. Kung ano po man ang nais po ninyo, kung saan po tayo makakatulong, yun po ang ating pag-uusapan. And again, watch out for other animal signs. So this early pa lang po, text your birthday para po tomorrow I can prepare po yung mga notes for your birthday and animal signs. Please, text nyo po yung mga birthday po nyo para po we can decode, we can give a sample reading po sa inyo as early as now for you to get what you want for the next year. Importante po yun And you can also ask question like ang magkatapat ng pinto, magkatapat ng bintana, ang bilang ng aking step. Normal na bang gamit mo? Oro, plata, mata ba sa hagdanan? Pwede bang maglagay ng salamin sa hagdanan? Ang altar po ba saan nilalagay? Pwede ba yan sa loob ng bedroom? Sa sala ba? Nasaan nang lalagyan ng mga deity? Or altar? Yes, I can answer you po yung mga yan. Po. So, BFF, let's like and share and let's make not only the remaining months of 2024, the year of the Wood Dragon, fantastic and great, but also the incoming year of the Wood Snake. So, let's make every year, every month, every day, every week, winner ka, lucky ka, and blessed ka. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other. Let us continuously pray for our leaders and world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all. And with a grateful heart, maraming po salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Don't forget, like and share, and your animal signs and birthday. Thank you. Bye-bye.